Hey everybody! In this video, I will show you how to link Shopify with Instagram. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. So, to do this, all you have to do is simply open your Shopify account and then go to Settings. From here, look for Apps, click on it, and then go to All Recommended Apps. Next, click on the Shopify App Store. In the search section, search for Facebook and Instagram Meta. After installing this into your Shopify, it will be pinned under the Sales channel. From here, you can see the option to connect to an account, and now you can easily connect your Instagram account with your Shopify. So, that is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.